I'm Burney. I'm from Oak Ridge, Oregon. I'm teaching the welding and fabrication for the Woodworker class. We got a hardware focus this week, so we're making a variety of small projects. We got a formed and twisted square stock handle with drilled and tapped holes as a drawer pull. We also have one with machined and slotted brass stanchions for a more modern look that we can modify and build. We're also doing some belt buckle forging. So here's an example of a forged and welded belt buckle. So these are all some small hardware projects that we're taking on this week, which of course has welding, cutting with a plasma cutter, brazing with the oxy-acetylene torch, running the vertical mill and the lathe, and of course TIG welding as well. We do a lot of skill building with welding and talk about some of the theory and metallurgy behind it, as well as equipment and material selections and some considerations for if you have a home wood shop, what it takes to get into welding, and lots of skill building and hands-on time with the equipment. I'll be back teaching a similar class in October where we do a lot of the same skill building, but we'll be making table legs instead of small hardware. We'd love to see you. Marc Adams is a place to be.